This is a premiering video Ncert solutions for class 7 science chapter 1 nutrition in plants lesson. We will put all solutions in premier videos. Okay, we can go into the video with book back exercise questions. First question from book back exercise is, why do organisms need to take food? Answer is, food is needed by all organisms for many purposes. A. The main function of food is to help in growth. B. Food provides energy for movements such as running, walking or raising our arm. C. Food is needed for replacement and repairing damaged parts of our body. D. Food gives us resistant fight to our energy and protects us from insufficient, that is WBC. And our second question is discussion between a parasiting and starter of parasite. First point is, parasite feeds on living organism. Second, the organism on which feeds is called host. Sapteros, they feed on dead and decay organisms. Second, they do not feed on living organism. And the third question is, how do you test the presence of starch in leaves? The presence of starch in leaves can be tested by iodine salts test. When do we remove chlorophyll from the leaf? By boiling it in alcohol and then put 2 drops of iodine solution. Its color changes to blue, indicates the presence of starch. And the fourth question is, give a brief description process of synthesis of food in green plants. The green plants have chlorophyll in the leaves. The leaves use carbon dioxide and water to make the food in presence of sunlight. The equation of photosynthesis is carbon dioxide plus chlorophyll takes the solar energy, that is sunlight gives carbon dioxide plus oxygen. And the fifth question is, show with the help of sketch that plants are the ultimate source of food. Solar energy get by green plants, by herbivores, by carnivores. These are decomposers. You can see the sketch and note down these points in notes. And the sixth question is, fill in the blanks. Note all the questions which I have been said. A. Green plants are called autotrophs since they synthesize their own food. The food synthesized by plants stored as starch. In photosynthesis, solar energy is captured by the pigment called chlorophyll. During photosynthesis, plants take in carbon dioxide and release oxygen. Our seventh question is, name of the following. First one, a parasitic plant with yellow, slender and tabular stem. A tabular stem is Cascasta. Second, a plant that has both autotrophic and heterotrophic mode of nutrition is insectivorous plant. Third one, the pores through which leaves exchange gases is stomata. And our eighth question is, tick the correct answer. Amenable is the example of first one autotroph, second one parasitic, third one saptotroph, fourth one host. Answer is second one. The plant which traps and feeds on insects is picture plant. And our ninth question is, match the items given in column 1 with those column 2. You can refer the diagram and take down the notes. Chlorophyll is located in leaf, nitrogen is in bacteria, amenable in parasite, animals in heterotrophs, insects in picture plant. And our 10th question is, mark T if the statement is true and F if the statement is false. Carbon dioxide is released during photosynthesis. It is false. Second one, plants which synthesize their food themselves are called saprotrophs. False. The product of photosynthesis is not a protein. True. Fourth one, solar energy is converted into chemical energy during photosynthesis. It is true. And our 11th question is choose the correct option from the following. Which part of the plants takes in carbon dioxide from the air for photosynthesis? First one is root hair, second one is stomata, and third one is leaf veins, and fourth one is sepals. Answer is second one, stomata. And our 12th question is choose the correct option for the following. Plants take carbon dioxide from the atmosphere mainly through roots, first one, second one stem, third one for flowers, fourth one leaves. Answer is fourth one leaves. Note down all the answers which I am saying, which I have said. This is the last question. So I have finished. Note down all the questions.